Turn me loose from the hills. Let me fly to distant lands. All along the lanes of the skyway, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking all the ways that the wind can turn the tide. For just a skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind.
Kamusta mga boss? Welcome sa aking munting channel, Ang Kanta Kwento. Ano ang masasabi niyo sa duet ni na BJ at Jasper ng Don Pito? Pakikomento po ito sa ibaba ng ating comment section at sabayan niyo na rin ang like, share at subscribe bilang suporta. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si BJ ay mula sa Sweet Notes Music at si Jasper naman ay mula sa Don Pito. Bukod sa pagiging magkaibigan, sila rin ay magkabanda noon at ang pangalan ng kanilang banda ay Diarya. Narito ang ilang mga moments na magkasama ang dalawa sa banda at sa kanilang bonding moments.
One, two,
Song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
The candle.
Blow the soy sauce and everything.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, Master.
Happy birthday. Kiss, kiss,
Right.
kiss, kiss.
39 na. 39. I wish me all the best. I wish me all.
See you in the sun.
See you in the sun.
Yes, see you in the sun, guys.
Right. See you. Munay. Right. Ikaw lang, isa may kulay. Message yan.
Nagpupula din na sa imo, ano. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Don't worry, man.
Pang-vlog kayo ba? Kailan na mo yung danas der? 26? 26. 26, 4 years from now.
O 26. 26. Katawa ka?
36.
30.
51, di ba?
Happy birthday!
Gusto na sponsor dyan, you know.
Happy birthday! Don Pito.
Tumatanggap po kami ng cake.
Alright.
So
Bye! Another song. Sige, ano yung diary yan? Mga hindi ko muna kakakilala. No New Year's Day to celebrate. No chocolate covered candy hearts to give away. But what it is something true. I just want to say I love you. Love of mine wraps around my heart, refusing to unwind. You, crazy love. Oh yes, tonight I'm gonna break away. Sino gusto ng rock-rockan? One more time! Here we go!
Ayan na mga aliens, sayaw-sayaw, Joy.
Pagdating ng 2016, si BJ at Charlotte ay nagsolo na sila bilang Sweet Notes duo. Kaya naman silang dalawa ay naging sequencer band at sabay na nag-bloom ang Sweet Notes music at Don Pito dito sa mundo ng social media. Para sa mga nagsasabing pinaglalaban ko ang dalawang magkaibigan, maaaring tama naman, ngunit ito'y nasa ating caption lamang upang bigyan ng konting kiliti ang ating video at magkaroon ng friendly competition lamang, walang intensyon na sira ng isa't isa. Salamat sa pangunawa, mga kakwento, at sa masaya nating pagtutulungan upang suportahan ang mga Pilipinong artist tulad ng Sweet Notes at Don Pito. Maraming salamat, kakwento, sa pagsama sa akin hanggang sa dulo ng ating video. Muli, ito ang Kanta Kwento.
And open out the skates towards the sun. For just this skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very